Is Bitcoin the future of money or just a speculative bubble waiting to burst? This digital currency, created in 2009, has been a hot topic of debate. Opinions are split. Some see it as a game changer, a revolution in our financial systems. Others warn of its potential risks, viewing it as a volatile and unpredictable form of investment. What's your take on Bitcoin's future? Well, before we can predict where it's heading, to understand its future, we must first delve into its past. Rewind to the year 2008, the world was facing a financial crisis. Traditional banking systems were on the brink of collapse, economies were in shambles, and trust in the financial world was at an all-time low. Amidst this chaos, a glimmer of hope emerged. An anonymous individual or group, known only by the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto, published a white paper titled Bitcoin, a peer-to-peer electronic cash system. This wasn't just another financial theory or a proposal for another centralized system. No, this was revolutionary. It was the blueprint for a decentralized peer-to-peer electronic cash system that didn't rely on trust in a central authority. It was a system where transactions were transparent yet secure, thanks to the magic of cryptography and the power of blockchain technology. As the world grappled with economic uncertainty, Satoshi Nakamoto quietly mined the first block of Bitcoin, known as the Genesis block, on January 3, 2009, and thus the first cryptocurrency was born. From obscurity to mainstream, Bitcoin's journey is nothing short of a roller coaster ride. In the early days, Bitcoin was the Wild West of the digital world. It was the year 2009 when the first block of Bitcoin, known as the Genesis block, was mined by the elusive creator Satoshi Nakamoto. By the following year, Bitcoin began to gain traction. The first known transaction with Bitcoin was for a couple of pizzas, where 10,000 Bitcoins were exchanged. Back then, Bitcoin was virtually worthless in terms of real-world currency. Fast forward to 2011, and Bitcoin began to draw the attention of the darker corners of the internet. It became the currency of choice for transactions on the infamous Silk Road, an online black market. This, unfortunately, cast a shadow on Bitcoin's reputation, painting it as a tool for illicit activities. However, in the same year, Bitcoin also experienced its first significant price spike, reaching a peak of around $31. It was a clear sign that Bitcoin had potential as a legitimate currency. By 2014, the world of cryptocurrency had expanded beyond Bitcoin. Other cryptocurrencies, known as altcoins, began to emerge, each offering unique features and benefits. This new competition spurred Bitcoin to innovate and evolve, solidifying its position as the leading cryptocurrency. The year 2017 marked a pivotal moment for Bitcoin. The price skyrocketed to nearly $20,000, attracting the attention of mainstream companies and investors. Businesses started to accept Bitcoin as a form of payment, and Bitcoin ATMs began to appear around the world. Despite the subsequent price drops and market volatility, Bitcoin's journey so far has been a testament to its resilience and adaptability. It has weathered numerous storms, from regulatory pressures to scaling issues, yet it remains a dominant player in the cryptocurrency market. With such a tumultuous past, what does the future hold for Bitcoin? Predicting the future of Bitcoin is as volatile as the cryptocurrency itself. It's like trying to catch lightning in a bottle, or perhaps more accurately, trying to predict the path of a lightning bolt as it forks and dances across the sky. One of the most vibrant discussions around Bitcoin's future revolves around its potential adoption as a global currency. Could Bitcoin, the rebellious offspring of the financial world, become the money of the future? Some enthusiasts argue that Bitcoin's decentralized nature, its resistance to inflation, and its borderless transactions make it an ideal global currency. Imagine a world where you could pay for your coffee in Tokyo, your taxi ride in New York, or your new pair of shoes in Paris, all with Bitcoin. Another avenue where Bitcoin could shine is in the realm of remittances and micropayments. With traditional banking systems, sending small amounts of money across borders can be costly and time-consuming. Bitcoin, with its low transaction fees and quick transfer times, could revolutionize this sector. However, the road to Bitcoin's future may not be paved with gold alone. Tighter regulation is a possibility that looms on the horizon. As Bitcoin continues to gain prominence, governments around the world may begin to impose stricter rules and regulations. This could potentially limit its growth and usage. Moreover, there are inherent challenges that Bitcoin must overcome. Scalability is a major concern. As more people use Bitcoin, the network becomes congested, leading to slower transaction times and higher fees. This could hamper its widespread adoption. Then there's the environmental elephant in the room. Bitcoin mining requires a massive amount of energy, contributing to climate change. If Bitcoin is to have a sustainable future, it must find a way to reduce its carbon footprint. Despite these challenges, Bitcoin continues to capture the world's imagination. It's a symbol of a new financial era, a testament to the power of decentralization, and an experiment in the true value of money. Whether a global currency or a speculative bubble, Bitcoin's future is sure to be a fascinating journey. Regardless of its future, Bitcoin has already left a significant mark on the world. Its impact on the financial industry has been nothing short of revolutionary. Bitcoin, the pioneer of cryptocurrencies, has paved the way for a new asset class, one that operates independently of traditional banking systems. This digital asset has not only challenged the status quo but also presented a viable alternative that's decentralized, transparent, and inclusive. Further, Bitcoin's underlying technology, blockchain, has opened up a world of possibilities in sectors far beyond finance. It has revolutionized the way we approach data management and security, enabling transparency and verifiability in transactions. Its potential applications extend to industries like healthcare, supply chain management, and even voting systems. Moreover, Bitcoin has played a significant role in monetary policy discussions worldwide. The rise of this digital currency has prompted central banks and governments to reconsider their stance on money itself. It has sparked debates on the feasibility of a cashless society, the importance of financial privacy, and the potential for decentralized finance. As we embark on this journey of understanding Bitcoin's impact, we can't ignore the ripple effect it has had on innovation. Startups, tech giants, and even governments have been inspired to explore and invest in blockchain technology and digital currencies. As we step into the new year, Bitcoin continues to spark conversations, inspire innovations, and stir debates, shaping the future of finance in ways we could have never imagined.